Arguing. The third danger of the tongue is arguing with others. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has warned Muslims not to dispute with others. This is advised in a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 394. In most cases, arguing and debating with others only causes enmity to grow between people. In fact, one very rarely accepts the truth through argumentation. It is important to understand that there is a big difference between presenting the truth in a beautiful, kind, and respectful manner and arguing with someone over it. This is why spreading the word of Islam should be left to those who have adopted the right characteristics. Arguing is disliked so much that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has promised, in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4800, a house in the outskirts of paradise for the one who gives up arguing, even when their opinion is correct. In fact, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3253, a person only strays from right guidance when they adopt an argumentative attitude. Chapter 43 Az-Zukhruf, verse 58.
They did not present it, i.e., the comparison, except for mere argument. But in fact, they are a people prone to dispute.
Constantly arguing, even if it's over the truth, can cause one to twist and misinterpret the evidence just to win a debate. This is evil, as it not only misguides the doer, but also those who are listening to the debate. A severe warning of the fire of hell has been given in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 254, to those who seek knowledge in order to make others look foolish through argumentation and debates. In most cases, arguing is unnecessary and leads to further problems for everyone. It is better to ignore someone who utters falsehood instead of arguing with them, as their very motive is to incite an argument. Those who adopt this mentality only desire to show off their knowledge and superiority, which leads to the evil trait of pride. As confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265, a person with an atom's weight of pride in their heart will not enter paradise. To conclude, the one who adopts an argumentative attitude will never find peace of mind, as they will be constantly fuming over those who challenge their opinions. If a person desires peace, they should give up arguing. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts, and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.